I am ready to start my video. Are you ready to watch my video? Then watch it! Exploring Mashhad from inside is enough. I wanna take you to the roof of Mashhad city to watch it from top. Join me. Guys, what's up? I hope you are doing well. This fixed destination is Koohi Park at the end of the Haftetir street of Mashhad city, which I shared its location in the description part. These stairs reminds me something. What about you? And it's Kung Fu Panda. He was trying hard to ascend the stairs, and I think it took too much time to get there and meet Shifu. Anyway, approximately it takes maybe half an hour to reach the top of park. It depends on many factors like the strength of your foot, comfortable shoes, stuff you are carrying, and blah blah. That sounds familiar to me. Yeah, that's Ferrisvale of Mellat Park amusement park, which I uploaded its video many months ago, which you can watch it later by the link in description or by the card at the top of the screen that just appeared. The point is, tolerating this hardship is worth it, because when you get there, the view of the city will amaze you, and trust me, I've experienced it for 3 times. Hanging out here with your family, ascending stairs, drinking tea will free your mind from the hustle and bustle of the city for an hour, and if I were you, I would try it. I know you're tired of ascending stairs, but if I were you, I would subscribe to Jason the Adventurer YouTube channel and then watch one of these videos. See you guys!